Hi guys, welcome to another travel vlog with budget and itinerary and of course DIY travel guide. This time it's in Boracay. First off, airfare. We got our tickets at Cebu Pacific amounting to 5,600 for 2 packs. Upon arrival, get your baggage if you have any. Then upon exit, pwede na kayo magpunta sa tricycle area which is just few steps away from the exit sa bandang left side. Tricycle is 150 for 2 packs. Private na yun. Jetty Port is only 700 meters far from Caticlan Airport. Then, upon arrival sa Jetty Port, proceed sa counter to pay for environmental fee, which is 150, terminal fee 150, and ferry or boat ride 50 pesos. So, please take note na ang price is for local tourists only and ang foreign tourists have different rates. Upon arrival, ride another tricycle, e-trike. Price is 150 pesos, private na yon for 2 packs. Dadalhin na kayo mismo sa hotel ninyo. Stay at Piccolo Hotel here at Station 2 in Boracay and save up to 40% off by signing up at planin.com. Sign up is free. You can also discover our top hotel recommendations here and abroad and save huge amount by booking at planin.com. Planin.com has more than 2 million hotels worldwide, which offers members a wide variety of options with as high as 40% discount. So that's great value for money. I will be posting in the comment section the link for those interested to book at Piccolo.
821. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Our room is okay. So guys, we had an early check-in and this is the entire room. Okay, so they have hair dryer, bidet, importante yan, tissue. Of course, shower area, meron na rin mga toiletries here. As you can see, may heater. Cabinet. Okay, there's an umbrella sa cabinet. Safe. It's a queen bed actually. So, ayan. And then, complimentary coffee, water, and that's it. Let's check the... Uy, nice! Han! The balcony! Yeah, your view is the swimming pool in lobby area. Nice, nice. I like it.
May sampayan na.
Oh, yeah. May sampayan. Ganda! Super mura. If you watched our vlog, yung aming Mandarin, magkano, yung mura na to kasi parang kung 7.7 ba, parang ganun. Divide by 3.
Paano nilalak to?
Yan, baba mo lang. So, magkano na agad yun? 7.7 divide by 3. Tingin na ako kasi sa math. So, that's the per night nila or overnight stay here. Kasi iba, isang overnight lang yun.
2.5 lang.
Dito kami ngayon sa Astoria Station 1 to have our lunch. Christmas feels. Hi guys! Kasama na namin ang aming mga family. My brother-in-law at ang aking sister-in-law. At of course, ang aking mga asawa. You can find the Chori Burger here at Bamboo Bungalow. Tama ba?
Cheers! Chori burger.
Okay.
Dapat!
For our second day, we went for a breakfast at Movenpick Resort and Spa. It's located at Station 0 in Boracay. They accept walk-ins, so no need for early reservation.
Ito na, mag-start na kami ng aming breakfast with my brother. Wala pa yung dalawa, missing pa. And guys, we are here at Movenpick Hotel and we're having our breakfast here. So as an After member, you get to have 50% off with your accompanying guest and a lot of different discount naman kapag kami marami yung guest mo, parang gano'n. And sobrang daming selections ng food. By the way, their lunch or their breakfast starts at 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. At ang price for the adults is 1,098 and for the kids, it's 500 plus. Hello guys! Nasa labas kami. It's our second day today. We just had breakfast kanina sa Movenpick. And right now, magsa-scout tayo ng mga bagay-bagay na pwedeng gawin dito. May mga tatlong na-recommend dito for the party every night. Umbar, Summer Place, at saka yung Epic, the usual Epic. Anyway, alam mo ba yung mga ano pala dito, beach chair? Chair ba tawag dyan?
Meron na ulit.
Meron na ulit to, ayan, in front of the property. Pero pinapa rin siya at 100, no? 100 per day pa or something. Well, ito siguro sa district to, no? Yung sa kabila, ayan, no? Supposed to be pinaparent nila yan, eh. So, maghanap. So, mamayang gabi titingin tayo ng magandang pwedeng puntahan for party.
We are here at V-Hop, located at Station 3. You can check this out for some budgeted night out. They also have live music and fire dancers, plus of course wide variety of food and drinks at a cheaper price.
Hi guys, good morning. It's our third day here in Boracay at bababa kami to get our breakfast. So yung breakfast namin kahapon actually since nag-breakfast kami sa Movenpick, hindi namin nakain. Pina-pick up namin na around 11 AM. Sabi namin i-take out na lang. Pero hindi rin namin nakain kasi kalimutan namin dito sa room. Tapos I don't know kung spoiled na to or well, anyways, ayun. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pagkain sa baba. Let's go! Breakfast time! Ayan, no? Ang susosyal na mga pantulog, oh. Mga asindero. Oo, no? Oo, oo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hindi, isa balot lang yun, eh.
Sa side na lang sabi ko. Kaya tapos ko, hindi natin makalakad eh.
Wala, kaya niya yan.
I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home. And I want you to know, sunshine, you are my sunshine. It's another morning. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Are on day 3 and bukas uuwi na tayo. So far, so good. Parang actually, mas maganda pala mag-Boracay ng December. Walang kalumot-lumot. Sobrang linis.
Sobrang clear.
Sobrang clear ng water. And yan, inabangan namin yung sunset. Mukhang na-achieve naman namin despite the yung makulimlim na weather. Paiba-iba yung weather dito ngayon. And ayun, masaya ng paligid. Hindi ganong kadami ng tao, no? Hindi katulad kapag talaga summer, no?
Ay, hindi pala nag-swimming to si Jay?
Hindi nag-swimming. And by the way, guys, we rented a, ano tawag doon? Daybed.
Oo.
Meron ng mga ganun-ganun dito ngayon. Di ba dati ang uso, during the, nung Feb, nung nagpunta tayo, nare-rent ka banig. Diba yun yung nilalatag mo? Pero ngayon, meron ng daybed. 100 pesos for the whole day, which is not bad, diba?
Another night out area is Umbar, located at Station 2 in Boracay.
Here, support area. Let's see kung magkano naman ang gagastusin natin dito. So, hindi naman ganun kadaming tao. Steps.
So we're gonna pay terminal fee for 150 pesos each per person yon, and of course additional 50 pesos for the ferry.
Thank you. Step 4, seat number. Mabilis naman. Magpatabi tayo. Thank you. 35.26. Okay.
Okay, one more.
Bulsa ko ah. And we are here. See you Manila in a bit. So, nag-DIY din kami pabalik. Ang price ng e-trike is 200. Private na yon for 2. Or basta private na yun kung tatlo man kayo. And then, terminal fee is 150 each. And the bangka is 50. So, mura pa din, diba? Kung yung isipin, no? Versus the airport transfer na book. Well, anyways, applicable lang to kapag hindi masyadong big like ngayong December, pero talagang kung January, Feb, March, April, May, ayan, summer kasi sobrang haba na abutin yung pila, kaya mas magandang option pa rin pag summer ang mag-book kayo ng airport transfer. We're out of the bangka. So ngayon ay magta-tricycle tayo papunta sa mismong airport. Guys, 100 for 2. Let's check the rates. Ay, sorry! Okay, let's go!
So, magkano nga ba ang nagastos namin for our 4 days, 3 nights Boracay trip? Starting off with our airfare, which is 5,650. For 2 na yon, ang aming round trip airport transfer is 1,700 for 2 also. At ang aming 7,700 na 4 days, 3 nights stay sa Piccolo Hotel, making it 15,000 pesos only. So, meaning to say, 7,500 per person lang ang budget na nagastos namin. We did not include the food kasi depende naman yan kung anong gusto ninyong kainin sa Boracay, and since local food lang naman yan, so talagang matatansya ninyo ang inyong budget in terms of food. We're here at the airport. An hour ahead or 2 hours ahead kami. Sobrang bilis lang from station 2. Kapag nag-DIY kayo, 30 minutes. Parang nag-iba na yung process nila. Sobrang ganda na ng process nila. Sobrang smooth na. And I think yung mga gate nag-iba rin. Parang gumanda yung gate, lumamig, at saka parang
Malamig yun. Kasi nung nakaraang Feb, talagang init tayo.
Oo, sobrang haba na nakaraan. Ito parang may separate gate na eh sa mga ano. Well, anyway, nag-DIY kami to and from Boracay. Ang overall expense namin for the DIY is 1,700. For 2 na yun. So, sobrang laki ng tinipid. Applicable lang ito pag hindi peak season. So, kasi December ngayon, kaya tinry namin. But anyway, at least meron kaya idea if ever na trip nyo mag-DIY. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching our Boracay vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And of course,
hit that notification.